Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today we're going to be setting up the Canon Avalon Nano 3. I've got my cable here with me. This is already breaking, lol. It's it's plugged in to some mains power there. I'm literally going to be starting from the beginning. So if you haven't already, do watch my unboxing. I'll give a bit more detail about this product and what it actually is. Just to give a quick summary, it's a miner. It hashes up to 4 terahashes. And yeah, let's get going. So I'm going to be connecting this now. So let's see what it says here. Avalon Nano. Just so you know, I'm going to be connecting this to a solo pool. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Very nice LED. Blue. There's a lot of redness in there. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, 3 hash. It's got the IP there. Okay, it's going in between other stuff. Like, let's see what. If I click that. Please connect to Heater Nano. Okay, so I've got my mobile phone here with me. I'm going to be going to a quick side so you guys can see everything that I am doing. So the application is called Remote Avalon Nano 3, which you should download. This will help you configure stuff in a second. This is automatically hashing already. The reason is, I'll quickly just show you here. It's automatically hashing because Canon, once you purchase it, they've already put their address and stuff, so whoever's switching on the setting up, they get that few little seconds of hashing, and in case it does mine a block, they get it, lol. Anyways, let me connect to the actual router. So Wi-Fi, it's saying Heater Nano, so let's click on that. Let's find that. There we go, Heater Nano. I've just clicked on it. Let's see what comes up. It should hopefully come up with the setting, as you can see on the side there. Okay, it's connected. No internet connection is what it's saying. Let's go into the app because I thought something would have popped up, but let's open the app. Avalon devices, nothing. Let me do add equipment operation. Okay, allow while using the location. Okay, I'll allow that for now. Would you like to find connected? Yep, I would. Select Wi-Fi, blah, blah, blah. Okay, select Wi-Fi. Interesting. Only supports 2.4 gigahertz. That's not a problem. So I'm connected to my 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It's wanting the password. I'm going to skip this a bit because there's a bit of privacy stuff here. And I'm basically just doing it. You can obviously see me. I've just taken away the actual screen. I'm just copying the password and stuff for my router, and then I am putting it back in. Once I connect, you will see the screen again. Okay, so I'm going to be blanking out the Wi-Fi now. As you can see, the password's in there. Save. Okay, let's click on save. As it says here, it needs to be 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. I've obviously got these settings there. Let's see what's happening here. It's still hashing, getting IP. That's what it's saying right now. Succeeded. Added successfully. Please switch to normal Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to connect to my actual Wi-Fi now. Let's connect. What's going on, son? There we go, connected. Okay, Nano 3. So it looks like I need to do everything through here. Devices offline is what it's saying. That's interesting. Living room, lol. Okay, this is the application. So you can control the lights, the heater control, stay flash. Okay, that's basically got to do with the actual lighting here. So let me just show you a quick close-up of what I mean. So the light here, I can change the brightness. So that's what I'm doing here. Changing the brightness, flashing it. So it's gonna flash. Breathing, loop, yeah, basically all of that stuff. Put it on low, medium, or high heat. and the color temperature. Cool. I'm going to click on mining management because that's what we want to do. Okay, so the mining management is what we need to come to. Click on that. It's already put it in stratumbrains.com 333. It's got everything there. I am going to change all of this stuff. So let's put it down here now. I am going to be using CKPool, and let me configure this and set it up, and then I will show you what CKPool actually is. So this is CKPool, right? It's solo.ckpool.org. Welcome to CKPool. Basically, the configuration that I need to put is here, solo.ckpool.org. That's basically the configuration, and then the port is 3333. That's what I'm going to be setting up here. So solo.pool, solo.ckpool, and then it's saying that the port number there. So I'm going to be putting that into every little address part here. So solo.ckpool, solo.ckpool. I'm going to be forwarding just so you guys can see me do it quickly rather than wasting your precious time. Okay, so the worker is basically your Bitcoin address dot your worker name. So I am going to be putting in my Bitcoin address and worker name. You don't need to put a password in, just so you're aware. I'm going to be skipping over a bit of this because I don't really want to share that, what my actual address is. But it'll be something like, for example, that, obviously that's not, it'd be like BC1 or whatever. And then your worker name, so Nano 3 or whatever that you want to keep it as. So you're not going to see this, but it's going to be forwarded. Nice. So you can't actually see my full worker. But yeah, so all the pools are basically the same. It says the Stratum plus TCP. That's obviously the protocol. And solo.ckpool, and then the port, and then my address, and then I will click save. Let's click on save. The device will automatically restart after saving. Are you sure you want to continue? Current password. Enter password to verify. There is no password. I didn't put a password. But okay, let's see what it's doing here now, right? It's saying #3 level L low. Okay, I'm going to give you a bit of close-ups just so you can see everything properly, just so you get a good idea. So Avalon Nano is basically what it's showing there. The time and date's wrong. We'll sort that out later. The IP address and stuff is there. That's fine. Hash is low, and it's saying 35, 45. Interesting. So when I'm rotating, please check the internet. Apparently it's not connected to the internet. Just so you're aware, this is giving a lot of heat out. I can already feel it. And this is on low. Let's go back onto my phone just to see what it's saying here. Upgrade, fix known security vulnerabilities, blah, blah. Okay, so it needs to be upgraded. Keep Wi-Fi signal stable and keep both your phone and Nano close to the router. Okay. Do not close the app. Okay, we're going to do a quick update. Let it restart. Let it upgrade itself. Once it's done that, I'll show you what we do next, basically. Does it ever cross your mind, where does JBINZALA get all of his clothing from? Well, you can find it all on my official store on JBINZALA.xyz. You can also find my asset portfolio, my crypto asset portfolio, and my shares and stocks portfolio. What do I actually invest in? I've got knowledge-based articles on my website. I've also got a section where you can book a one-to-one with me, have some personal time with me. Lol, you can book one-to-ones just to help you out as an individual. In addition, you can create content like the way I do by going onto my video setup and my photo setup gear list. You can see exactly what type of gear I use, and hopefully that will help you if you were to ever begin on your content creation journey. I've said enough. Let's continue with the actual content. Bye-bye. Upgrade successful, as you just saw there. That took a while. It took a few minutes. Not too long, but yeah, that's the first upgrade that I've done for this. That's pretty decent. I'm just trying to see as well at the same time like what's going on here. So it's saying, hopefully you can see there. Avalon. I don't like the fact that it's rotating so much. That's not really something that's nice. It's got the right time, lol. 2211. The date's correct. Let's swap. Okay, the IP and stuff is there. Great. Levels. Please check the internet. I don't know why it's saying that. Let's go onto the computer, shall we? We'll get a better idea by going onto the actual IP address. Okay, so this is the IP address I've put in, and I've got a few more tabs here, which I'll come to. But basically, it's saying root. Normally the password, and I guessed it right. Normally the password is root. Like even when if you use like Kali Linux and stuff, you basically do root as the password. So it says password here, new password to confirm it. So it's basically saying, giving me an option of a strong password. I'm going to create a strong password, and I'll be, let me change this, and then I'll come back. So, okay. What that did is, I'll update that there. I've created a strong password. It's letting me log in now. So this is the actual dashboard. So I showed you the phone to set it up quickly, but this is the actual dashboard, okay? So if we go onto here, real time, it's doing 2 terahashes, and the average is saying 0. It's been up for 5 minutes. The fan status, yeah, great. Okay, so configuration, I'm obviously blanking out all of the worker addresses, but you can see that it says Nano 3 there. Airspeed low, European time zone, and obviously the pools are these. The pool doesn't have a password itself as I've set up. The network, this is obviously the network configuration that I set up. Once again, this is all sadly, I'm not sharing everything with you because it's a breach of security, lol. The log, I'm just showing that it shows a bit of log. I'm not sharing everything once again. System password, I've already showed you that we need to basically configure it like that. The root, as I said, that's the thing to do. And upgrade, there are no more upgrades. I've already done it. There's reboot and reset factory. So let's do something here, right? Let's click on overview. Interestingly enough, this doesn't let me change the speed. Let's click on configuration. Okay, airspeed, let's put it on high. Confirm, let's see what it does, right? Let's go back onto overview. Let's actually also look at the Canon itself. Let's click on that. Yes, it's saying high. Hash is 2.3. We'll come back to this by the end of this video and see what it actually goes to. Does it go to the 4 terahash that it's saying? But before we do that, I just want to show you a few other things. So Avalon Nano 3, this is the website that you can purchase from. It's called Indiegogo. This is where they started the Kickstarter or whatever to basically get funding for this. There's been quite a few backers. There's obviously already got £751,000 backed by this, by 179 backers. There were 34,000. It's crazy. You can purchase this from here. As you can see, the prices are here. You can get a decent discount from if you do it from here. Okay. It's saying here that it'll come in September. My one obviously took 1 or 2 months. This was out in February, I believe. Can you hear that? The fan speed has gone crazy now. It's gone to high. That's a ridiculous amount of heat, actually. Click on that. It's getting pretty hot. The hash is still the same. Okay. I don't really want this to affect the video sound. I'm going to have to do a lot of editing and noise cancel it. But as you can see here, this is developed by Canon. Canon, quick fun fact, Canon, right? They're the first ever ASIC Bitcoin mining company. They're listed on the NASDAQ as well, as you can see there. It comes in multiple colors. You can see white, black. I've got the black one. Navy, pink, yellow, and yeah, that's it. So just to show you a bit of functions, logo, monitor, you can see this all in my unboxing video anyway, with close-ups and stuff. Air outlet, it tells you how much air, specifications. The main thing here is the wattage. So if you saw the low, medium, high, low actually takes 65 watts, 100 watts is the medium, and high watts is 140. I purchased the one with the actual Canon official power brick, the power outlet, because apparently off third-party ones ain't good. So I just bought the full bundle here. I would recommend that you do that as well. So this is the app that I showed you already. It's basically showing the controls and stuff, why they've launched it, the risks and challenges, shipping, and yeah, just some images of how they've been doing, just to show you that this is something that is being shipped and stuff. Obviously, we've all got ours. This is something interesting, right? If you go into updates, they're giving like there's limited to 100 now for this pink one because they're all running out of stock, and they give like good updates here. Let's go on to Solo CKPool. This is where I've put the I've pointed the miner to, basically, to Solo Mine. Basically, Solo CKPool take a 2% fee. That's fine. They're doing the back end stuff. They're keeping the servers and stuff up, so that's great. That's whatever. If they want, if you mine a block 2%, I don't mind. Thank you for basically even having a pool, right? These are the configurations which I've already put in. As you can see, it gives examples of how to do it. And obviously this is the worker, and then .0 is the worker number. You can name it whatever you want. Obviously, I've made mine a nano. This is the actual CKPool site where you can check your miner address. Let's go back to this. There we go. 3.6 terahash is what it's saying, and let's see the actual miner here. 3.6 terahashes. That does align. That's the main thing here. So I've shown you in this video the fact that this nano does do up to 4 terahashes, right? That's basically how you set up this nano on that UI, and you would go into CKPool to see your miner. I will most likely do an update video to show you more in detail stuff about this. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy this long introductory video of this Canon Avalon Nano 3. Please do subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. Do like this video and share. And if you do have any questions, do comment down below. Lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.